Earlier this year, ArduPilot started supporting 32 motors. To our knowledge, nobody has actually made a 32-copter motor fly. So this should be the first one, we think. It serves no useful purpose other than because we can. So we've got 32 motors. They are on, all the motors are PWM to the SCs. So we've had to split it up over CAN. So we've got 4 periph nodes that are going to 8 motors. And it's set up with 4 4 voltage bring buses powering the whole aircraft. Then we've got a scripting motor mixer to actually configure the frame. And I believe the frame is called a Dotriacontacopter. However, ask George, because I probably butchered that. The plan is, so what do you do when you have 32 motors? The obvious thing is it's highly redundant, it was supposed to be. So we thought, well, let's try it. So we're going to fly it in an auto mission. We'll take off in alt hold, put it into auto, and it's going to start going back and forth. It doesn't do very well in the wind, so we are going to try it and see, but we may not proceed. When it's up in the auto mission, I'm going to flick my switch, and then the motor failure Lua script is going to randomly select motors and start switching them off. And we're going to try and go to 16 motors, and then I'm going to re-enable it if it starts struggling at like too much at any point to recover the vehicle. Ryan.
How do you know you put all the props on correctly?
Good question. So we need to do a motor test.
Props off?
Props off, right, okay. We had a bit of a downgrade in TV, but we have got a telemetry dashboard showing, and as the motors switch off, the motors will change color, so they'll go red as they've switched off. So hopefully that'll give you a bit of a feedback which ones are being switched off. Okay, you ready, Pete?
I'm ready.
Okay. Arm when you're ready, please. Okay, taking off. Auto, please. Okay, we're now going to start allowing scripting to switch motors off. Should be about 1 every 7 seconds. That's 1. That's 3 motors, 4 motors. 5 motors. 6. Okay, re-enabling. Were they all grouped together?
Ish. We can go again. Do some more.
Okay, they all grouped together, so let's try again. Switching them off again. Count them out for me.
That's 1.
1. 2. 3. Okay, re-enabling. Okay, we'll try one more time.
That's 1.
1.
2.
2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. Okay, re-enabling. Okay, we'll stop there. Firm loiter.
That's loiter.
Okay. And alt hold.
That's out hold.
Okay, stabilize. Thank you very much. So that's the end of the planned talks for today and planned demos. So we're on to the fun flying. If anybody hasn't given in their flyer ID to our registration staff,